Hello, hello. Okay, so I had originally decided to do my project on MC Escher and tessellations, which I did do, and I finished it earlier this week, and just didn't feel like it took nearly enough time. It was really fun. I enjoyed doing it. I'll shoot you a little photo of it, but it just wasn't quite up to the standard of the project. So I've been homesick pretty much all week and kind of just doing weird things around the house and decided it was finally a great time to paint my bedroom walls, which I've been wanting to do for a long time. Um, so I thought that would be an even better math project. So there's a picture of me painting my walls. Just kidding. Let's see here. Okay, so first thing I did was I drew pictures of each one of my walls. So I have, this is my wall with my closet. There's a little empty storage space up here that I did not paint. And the roofs are at an angle, so there's some triangles. My other wall with a little window. My biggest wall with a long window up top. The wall where my bed is now, got a little rearranging, with another triangle. And then there's like a little tiny wall next to the wall with a door. And so I drew them all up first and foremost. And then I got out the measuring tape and I measured each wall. This looks like mayhem, I know, but I measured it in inches. So, I measured the closet, I measured the wall, I measured the wall and cut out into a little triangle on each one, measured the window and the walls, so on and so forth. And then if you'll pay attention to the pencil first, because I actually made a mistake the first go around and had to do it again. But I found the surface area for everything in inches squared and then divided by 12 for feet to get feet squared for every single one. 855 square feet, 759 square feet, 844 square feet, so on and so forth. And then I added all of those up in pencil and thought to myself, that sounds way too much. And then I realized that what I needed to do was convert the inches into feet before I multiplied them all together to get the surface area. So that's what you see in purple. The purple is my second go about. And I rounded up in pretty much every single one, as you've taught us. It's always better to have more paint than not enough. So I found the surface area of every wall, give or take, and added all of those up to get to about 317 square feet. And I realized that I only really needed 1 gallon of paint because it covers 400 square feet, which is great and not overly expensive. There's a picture of me, really a flattering one, painting my room this last week, which was a really, really nice. I really liked it. I actually grew up doing it with my mom. I'm going to go ahead and take it off that picture because it's just hideous. Let's see here. I have some video. So here is a before video. Let's see if I can. You'll see kind of the weird. This is the storage space. Here's obviously the closet. Some of the weirder angles. A window. That's wall 1, wall 2, wall 3. My room, it was 2 walls of blue and 2 walls of white. Hideous. Much needed. There's wall 4, and then the little doorways right over here. Let's see here. And I ordered it online, which was really cool because I was able to find out the surface area prior. I knew I just needed 1 gallon. And I had already picked out this color months ago. It's called Mesquite Powder. It was only $27.98, which was great, about $30. And my roommate and I have changed the name to Grandmother's Nail Polish. We don't like the name Mesquite Powder, so we changed it to Grandmother's Nail Polish. But it ended up being really pretty and really subtle. So here is the after with the tape still on. Let's see here. Got a little on the trim up there, don't mind that. And it was a lot of fun. I ended up having to use a a couple extra coats on these walls. A few of them drank it more than other. Up here in this corner, I had to use a extra couple extra oh my god, coats. This one as well. So I ended up using all of the paint, every last drop. Got a little on the floor, but that's okay. And yeah, it was a great project. $30, 317 square feet on my walls, 1 gallon of paint, couple days over the weekend, a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing, but a great thing to do to pass the time this last week. So yeah, hope you like it.